Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Importantly, the first permission to granting these permissions and all we need to go through the configuration tool that is managed. This permission. OK. Second permission is permission. Permission. Then you have a user permission users. Total 5 permissions. OK. Manage goal-based permission access permission group permission. Role user also and user permission. Now the first user which I opened. He was not having the permission. So if a new user is joining in your team, how to give you the permission? So you need, if you are super admin, you should have the access to this role-based permission access. You can hear. OK. Now you can click on Add User. Select it and get in permission. OK. Permission successfully granted. If you want to see the permission is granted or not, you can see it is being given. Can you see here? Permission is given. This access. We have not given allow to access this page, OK. Now, when I proxy to let me check if he has got the permission. So long. So this tool is known as Manage Role-Based Permission Access. I will go to the Admin Center. And I will go to the tools. And you see here, now the permission is being given to. You can see. So if he is an admin guy who is joining in your team. And what is the permission you are holding? The same permission. It has to be given to that new member also. Then you will be using Manage Role-Based Permission Access. We have added then we added this user. According to that, only you can able to get the permission group permission role. Users also can view user permission. OK. So now, whatever the changes which we are doing, make sure it has to be made back to normal. So I added that user right to show you how it is reflected. Right. Now. As you told, easy to always required to go to the admin center. I can also type from here. Manage role-based. And you see here. So you can always try from. That's not at all. And after going here. And. I go to the user and I will click on delete. Okay, I have deleted it. So this is the second step. Okay. First step is to enable it from the provision. So if you're support consultant already, this is already enabled from the provision. Okay. Second step is to. What we need to do. We have to. If we have to, if the members are adding to your team member, then we need to be the equal permission. So for that we need to go with the manage role-based permission. Access that I shown you as a super enemy. Okay. After going into this, then the person will be having the access to the admin center. Which I shown. You set user permission. The permission groups and the permission rules. This is the tool which I shown you right now. As a super admin. How you can able to enter it and add them, and. Okay. So. This permission group and the permission rule. Now the admin can able to access. What you can able to edit it also. You can able to view also. You can able to create a new group and a new role. Okay. So these are the things which are coming under set user permission, that is, total. 5 are there. 1 is manage role-based permission access. Then you have a permission group. Second one. Third one is permission role. Fourth one is view user permission. Fifth one is role search permission. Okay. Total 5 permissions will be there under set user permission for the super admins. Okay. So. This is all about for the today's session. Okay. So in the today's session, what all we have completed. We have done with the manage business configuration, how to go and create any standard field. Changing the label of the standard field. Modifying the edit field, and creating a custom field, adding the pick list values to the custom field. How to create a pick list. That also I showed you. Okay. So that is all about the management configuration, and then we started with the RVP. What is all about the RVP? Setting up of the RVP, the branded population, target population permission roles. And what are the steps for enabling it from the provisioning? Then the front end, how we can able to give the permissions. With under the set user permission. 5.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.